Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If your Seiki TV keeps turning off randomly, it can be super frustrating, right? But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we'll explore the most common causes for this issue and walk through easy-to-follow solutions to get your TV back to normal. Let's dive in. First, let's take a quick look at what might be causing the problem. Here are some common culprits: overheating issues, loose or damaged power connections, a software glitch, faulty power supply unit, or internal components, incorrect timer, or energy-saving settings. Fix 1. Check the power supply. Step 1. Check the power supply. Make sure the power cable is securely plugged into both the TV and the wall outlet. If you're using a surge protector, try plugging the TV directly into the wall socket to rule out a faulty power strip. If the cable looks damaged or loose, you might need to replace it. A faulty power connection is a common reason why TVs turn off unexpectedly. Fix 2. Inspect for overheating. Next, let's check if your Seiki TV is overheating. Feel the back of the TV. If it's too hot, make sure the vents are not blocked. Clear any dust or debris using a can of compressed air. Also, ensure your TV has enough ventilation and isn't placed too close to walls or other heat sources. Fix 3. Disable timer and energy-saving settings. Sometimes the problem is simply a setting. Grab your remote and go to TV's menu. Look for any sleep timers or energy-saving settings that might turn off your TV after a certain period. Disable these settings and see if the issue persists. Fix 4. Update or reset the software. If none of those worked, the issue might be software-related. Check if there's a firmware update available for your Seiki TV. You can usually find this option in the Settings or Support menu. If the update doesn't solve the issue, try resetting your TV to its factory settings. But remember, this will erase any personalized settings, so proceed with caution. Fix 5. Consult a technician for hardware issues. If your TV still keeps turning off, it might have a hardware problem, like a faulty power board or capacitor. In this case, I recommend reaching out to a professional technician or Seiki customer support for assistance. Conclusion. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which fix solved your problem. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.